Swift action was taken by the police with the assistance of a Jamaican eyewitness, has led to the arrest of 4 men and the seizure of 2 firearms. The following robbery at the University of the West Indies on March 11th. The reports are that 10:30 p.m. a man went to the Papine Police Station to report that he was held at gunpoint and robbed of his laptop and other devices. An investigation was led, and one of the stolen electronics devices was tracked to the vicinity of the Mandela Highway in Portmore, St. Catherine. Law enforcers from the Area 4 and 5 who were in pursuit of the suspect with the support from the Police Emergency Communications Center, CCTV footage and tracking information followed the man back into St. Andrews. A Nissan Note motorcar that was reported involved in the robbery was intercepted by several police units as well as members of the military at the intersection of South Avenue and Constant Spring Road in St. Andrew. 2 suspects were arrested and the weapons, a Glock and a .38 revolver along with 2 magazines, were seized. A laptop and several cellular phones were also found inside the vehicle. Investigations are still processing the scene and updates are now to be followed. Well, again people, thanks for tuning back to the channel. Like and share and subscribe. If you don't like the content, you know I'm not too good on the recording my voice and so, but leave a comment in the description so you know how you feel about the video.